PURETE Group was founded in 2008. We are a professional supplier of coating and lamination equipment. Our product range includes roller coating, curtain coating, inert coating, spray coating, PURE lamination, wrapping, short cycle press series. We specialize in surface finishing and lamination technologies, delivering environmentally friendly, efficient, and intelligent integrated production solutions. PURETE Group has 2 manufacturing bases in Shunde, Guangdong, and Tianmen, Hubei. The first phase of our Hubei base covers a construction area of 20,000 square meters. Our Shunde base in Guangdong spans over 60,000 square meters and serves as the manufacturing headquarters for our digital, intelligent production lines. Our products are applied in 32 industries, which have passed customs AEO advanced certification and are exported to 87 countries. You are warmly welcome to visit our company. Customer satisfaction is our perpetual pursuit.